Timeless Times: Mastering Analog and Digital Clocks. Hello, everyone. Today we are diving into the world of time, specifically, how to convert time between analog and digital formats. If you've ever been confused about reading an analog clock or how it corresponds to a digital one, this is the perfect video for you. We will guide you step by step, turning this challenging task into a walk in the park. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by analog and digital time. Analog time is represented by the traditional clock face with an hour hand and a minute hand. In contrast, digital time displays the exact numerical hour and minute, usually in a 24-hour or 12-hour format. Reading an analog clock might seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite simple. The shorter hand points to the hour, while the longer one indicates the minutes. Each number on the clock represents an hour, and the minute hand moves around the clock every hour. Every one increment around the clock equals to 5 minutes. Digital clocks, on the other hand, are quite straightforward. They directly show the hours and minutes. In a 12-hour format, you'll see AM or PM to denote morning or afternoon, evening. In a 24-hour format, the hours range from 00 to 23. Minutes are always displayed as a number from 00 to 59. Now comes the interesting part: converting analog time to digital. Here is a step-by-step guide. 1. Look at where the hour hand is pointing. This is the hour in digital time. 2. Then look at the minute hand. If it's pointing directly at a number, multiply that number by 5 to get the minutes. If it's in between two numbers, do the same for the last number it passed and add the additional minutes. 3. If you're using a 12-hour digital format, note whether it's past midday, for PM, or before, for AM. Let's apply what we've learned. For example, on an analog clock, if the hour hand is pointing to 3 and the minute hand to 6, this is 3:30 in digital format. If the hour hand points to 2 and the minute hand is halfway between the 11 and 12, the digital time is 2:55. Give it a try and practice more. And that's it. With some practice, you'll become fluent in converting between analog and digital time formats. Remember, practice makes perfect. Stay curious and keep learning. Until next time, take care.